Chili potato is a delicious Indo-Chinese dish that combines crispy fried potatoes with a spicy and tangy sauce. Here's a simple recipe to make chili potato. Hash ingredients: 4 medium potatoes, peeled and cut into thin strips. 2 tablespoons corn flour. Salt to taste. Oil for deep frying. Hash for the sauce. 1 tablespoon oil. 1 tablespoon finely chopped garlic. 1 tablespoon finely chopped ginger. 2 to 3 green chilies, slit. 1 medium onion, thinly sliced. 1 medium bell pepper, capsicum, thinly sliced. 2 tablespoons tomato ketchup. 1 tablespoon soy sauce. 1 tablespoon chili sauce, adjust to taste. 1 tablespoon vinegar. 1 teaspoon sugar. Salt to taste. Half cup water. 1 tablespoon corn flour mixed with 2 tablespoons water, for slurry. Spring onions for garnish. Hash instructions. 1. Prepare the potatoes. Peel the potatoes and cut them into thin strips or wedges. Rinse them well in water to remove excess starch. Drain thoroughly. Sprinkle corn flour and salt over the potatoes. Toss them until evenly coated. 2. Fry the potatoes. Heat oil in a deep frying pan over medium-high heat. Once the oil is hot, carefully add the potato strips in batches. Fry until they are golden and crispy. Remove with a slotted spoon and drain on paper towels to remove excess oil. 3. Make the sauce. In a separate pan or wok, heat 1 tablespoon of oil over medium heat. Add finely chopped garlic, ginger, and green chilies. Saute for a minute until fragrant. Add thinly sliced onions and bell peppers. Stir fry on high heat for 2 to 3 minutes until they are slightly tender yet crunchy. 4. Add sauce ingredients. Add tomato ketchup, soy sauce, chili sauce, vinegar, sugar, and salt to the pan. Mix well. 5. Thicken the sauce. Pour in water and bring the mixture to a boil. Stir in the corn flour slurry, corn flour mixed with water, to thicken the sauce. Cook for another minute until the sauce coats the back of a spoon. 6. Combine with fried potatoes. Add the fried potatoes to the sauce. Toss gently until the potatoes are well coated with the sauce. 7. Serve. Garnish with chopped spring onions. Serve hot as a delicious appetizer or as a side dish with fried rice or noodles. Enjoy your homemade chili potato. Adjust the spiciness according to your taste by varying the amount of chili sauce and green chilies.